Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to my Aquastar Love Talk. Now today I will do your love reading. What's your partner's current feeling? Let's see. Angels, white light angels, Holy Father, let's see what's my collective viewers, partners' current feelings. What's their energy? Let me show you what's their energy. Deep contemplation and twin flame recognition. This person is recognizing who is for them. They are deeply thinking about the connection. Okay? Live in the moment. They are trying to be in this moment, whatever is going through, they are trying to be in the present moment. Let's see. Yeah. Look beyond the illusion, whatever is there. They are trying to cut the crab and want to see the real truth of the situation. They are thinking that there was a player energy, they want to came and they want to go. So it's just a fleeing. They are thinking that just a fleeing. I don't have to be so authentic here. They are manipulating themselves only. Okay, maybe it was a new energy, it was a new love situation, but they are thinking maybe there was a rejection. Okay, there was a rejection. That is the reason they are feeling that it's one sided. I am getting that you have rejected that person, and now that is the reason they are feeling one sided. They are feeling pain, they are feeling shattered. Now they are feeling that okay, I was playing with that person, so what, so big deal, it was there. They have, the situation was not so real, not so deep, but they are feeling pain because there was emotion. There was true emotion of yours. That's the reason they are feeling that pain. If a person is really loving you, na, then only they, you are not getting that pain when there is a separation between a true lover and a fake lover. The only person is not, the only the true person is not feeling that pain. They are also getting that energy of pain that they have given to them. Okay, but they are just sabotaging that situation by thinking that it is just a flame. It's okay. They want to, yeah, they are saying, they are thinking that it's an infatuation. I have to move on. I have to be free. I will get freedom from this situation. But inside, they want some support and they want some forgiveness from him. They know that they have done something wrong. Let's see what's their confession. Deep down, what they want to confess to you. Deep down, what they want to confess to you. Deep down, what they want to confess. What they want to confess. Deep down. Tell me deep down what our collective viewers partner wants to confess. What they want to confess deep down. Tell me. Doubt. Why they doubt on you? They want to confess that they shouldn't doubt on you. They should have faith on this situation. Twin flame sign. I am getting strongly that this is your twin flame. Both of the card of twin flame recognition and twin flame sign is here from different deck. This is your twin flame and they should have faith on you. They are now regretting. See, they are now regretting and they are dropping tears. They are dropping tears of regret. Oh my God. This person is feeling that pain. Divine timing. Yes, again that divine timing. Okay. Time will come. Time will come when they will try. Okay. They will be They will feel love for you. They are feeling that love. I'm getting there. What they want to confess, what they want to confess, and just tell me what they want to confess. Soulmate confession. Okay. Let go of fear. Let go of fear. Okay. They are in fear. Intensity, communication. Oh my God. They will come towards you. They are in intense pain. They are in intense pain and they are in intense fear that you will never let them in your life. They are now getting that all gone for good now. They're feeling that intensity of that love. What they have lost, now they are getting that. Oh my God, what I have done. I should communicate to them for the new beginning. I should plan some surprise. All the illusion was there that, okay, they are in a karmic battle. Now they need you. They want to spill out all the unspoken words. Yeah, they are dreaming. They are daydreaming. Hopeful that you will forgive them. They will hopeful that you will heal them. Oh. They are very hopeful that you will again take them back. But still they have some fear that will you what they want to communicate. Let's see what they want to communicate to you. What they want to communicate to you. Angels, tell me what they want to communicate to you. What they want to communicate to you. I want to prove my love to you through actions. Now they want to take some actions to show you how much they love you. I hide who I really am from you. They have hide their actual love from you. Yeah, I'm getting from the beginning. I was getting that they have sabotaged their pain, their feelings for you. Okay, now they want to show you the actions what they want to take for you. Let's see. I want to hold you. Oh. They want to hold you in their heart. They want to hold you tight. They want to they want to hug you tightly. Oh my God, I'm feeling that. Why? Please, angels, don't do that. I'm getting a tight hug now. What? Oh my God. I am deeply sorry that I walked away from you. Yes, they are sorry for that. Yes, they are sorry for that. Now they are trying to plan some surprise and want to communicate with you. I'm getting that strongly this person will come to you or they will surprise they will plan a surprise visit in your nearby you or something like that. I could never forget you. They cannot forget you anyway. I still have the I still have your pictures in my phone. They are seeing you in the pictures. See, I'm starting to understand our connection. Oh my God. Oh my God. This person is now missing like hell. So, what should you do? Let's take some advice. What should our what should our mm, viewers do? What should our collective viewers do? Give them advice for this relationship. Grow and glow. Heal yourself. Okay. I am getting that you are also equally devastated. You are also equally in pain. Now, angels are saying that heal yourself, and try to give attention to your growth, your financial growth, your emotional growth, your overall growth. Okay, then your growth will make you glow. Okay, accept whatever done, accept whatever is there, accept the reality. Okay, don't hide your shadow side. Don't hide your pain. If you want to cry, cry loud. Lock your room, cry loud, whip it out, tear your pillow, whatever you want. Do this. Write on a paper whatever your pain is, whatever you want to tell that person. Write it on the paper, burn it on the candle, and leave it like that. But don't hide your pain. Don't ever hide your pain. It will come out in a different situation, in a different way. You cannot control that. Time to take action. You have to take action for yourself only. Okay? Find magic in the mundane. What's that mundane? You have to find magic in the day to day life. Okay? You are feeling bored because of this person gone. They are not giving you interest. They are not feel making you feel special. Then feel special in your day to day life. Go for a gardening, go for work, whatever you want. Decorate your house. Okay, then it will help you to move on from that pain. Okay, if you channel your pain in a creative way, that will help you to remove that pain from your life. Okay, so this is the message for you. If you like this reading, give me a like. If you want this types of reading, subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for the notification. And if you want my private reading, go to the email id. There is an email id in the description box. Give me an email. I will contact you in your uh, email ID. Okay, I will contact you there. Okay, bye bye. Have fun.